How to get free things on Temu or how to get free Temu credit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can get free things and free Temu credit. Now, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now first things first, how you can get free credits. Well, there are multiple ways that you can receive Temu credit that include rewards for participating in themed activities and promotional events. Now credits as part of the late delivery policy and refund payments when you choose Temu credit to receive your refund within 3 minutes instead of receiving it back to your original payment method. Now, how you can get free gifts. Now to earn free gifts or free credits as well, you can simply head into the U option at the bottom of your screen. Under U, you will get the option that is earn credits and free gifts. You can tap on it and you'll be able to see various offers and promotional events here. You want to complete those offers and events here and you'll be able to earn free gifts and free credits. Now you want to log in here regularly and check in for any new offers as well. So this is a way that you can get free credits and free gifts on Temu. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.